Hello everyone, this side Himansi, and today once again I'm back on my YouTube channel with Day 4 challenge. As we know, earlier we had started 10-day challenge and it's day 4. I'm continuing it. I'm quite happy for it. And yes, today I have brought wonderful idioms and phrases for you. So without wasting even a single minute, let's come to the point. And with it, our first idiom and phrase is once in a blue moon, which means very rarely. How can you use it in your sentence? It's like he used to come here once in a blue moon. Okay. But the second idiom and phrase that I have brought is under the weather. Under the weather is something which means feeling unwell. So you can use it like um I'm still feeling under the weather. Okay. The third one that I have brought is to give a ring. To give a ring is not something to give a ring. No. To give a ring, it means to give a telephone call. Okay. So don't try to mislead yourself for this meaning. Okay. So to give a ring means to give a telephone call. How can you use it? So you are saying to someone, I'll give you a ring tomorrow. And the fourth one is that I have brought is hold all the S's. Hold all the S's means having all the advantages. You are addressing someone that he held all the S's. It's like this. You can use it. The fifth one that I have brought is leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned, which means try everything possible. Whatever is possible, you are doing for that. Okay. So leave no stone unturned. How can you use it in your sentence? It's like doesn't matter we lost the game, but still we left no stone unturned. And the sixth one is that I have brought is gift of the gap. Gift of the gap is something having quality to speak well. So it's like she got the gift of the gap. She must work in our marketing or sales. And the seventh one that I have brought for you is to take a French leave. To take a French leave means to leave without intimation. As we had already studied about a chapter in our NCRT, it was where a teacher took a leave from French and it was like very nostalgia there were. So yes, to take a French leave, which means leave without intimation. How can we use it? The teacher covered all the syllabus quickly and took a French leave. And the eighth one that we have brought is as clear as mud. As clear as mud is means um, impossible to understand or not easy to understand. You can easily say possible to understand. As clear as mud. How can you use it? She is really as clear as mud. Or the concept is quite hard and this for me is as clear as mud. And the ninth one is that I have brought for you is in the good books of. In good books of, which means in favor with. And how can you use it? Like, I cleaned the whole room today, and that's why I am in that good book. And the last one of the day is one hand's full. One hand's full, which means very busy, and I have my hand full when I got this sick child. So this was all about the idioms and phrases that I have brought for you for day 4. So yes, it's been covered and now it's your time to learn it, to use it, to enhance your communication style. So bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for giving your time here. And yes, if you have really liked something new, so please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye, take care.